Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to launch a static website in Amazon S3 bucket. To launch a static website, first of all, you need to have a website prepared using your favorite code editor. I already have HTML, index page, CSS, and all the images required for my website. So first, you need to create a S3 bucket in Amazon. Select X3, or you can search on the top box. Then here you can see the create bucket. Go ahead and do create bucket and give the name. Since this is a global name, S3 takes the global name, so you need to give the unique name for your S3 bucket. I'll try to give my bucket static website Nepal Tech Hub. It won't take any uppercase letter, so make sure everything is in lowercase. I mean in North Virginia region. Here you need to see block all public access. Since we are making this static website, we need to give the public access. So uncheck this one here, block public access, and here underneath you have to acknowledge the current settings and do so, and everything else just leave as it, because we are not doing any versioning here. So if you want to, you can go ahead and do it, but it's not required. And encryption is obviously not required because we have the static website running in here. So create bucket. If your name is globally not taken, then you'll be able to get it done and see here successfully created bucket name. So once you have your bucket created, select the bucket, and here you can see the properties of your bucket and permissions and everything inside your bucket. And we don't have anything, we just created the bucket, so we don't have anything. Let's go ahead and upload our index as HTML, and also I'm adding the error page so that if there is any error or user gives the wrong URL, then it will lead to the error page, and then I'll redirect them to the index page. So I'll go ahead and upload the file. And I do have the error page already built, and I'll upload the image folder. So since everything is uploaded, I'll do upload, and it will take a second. And you can see the green message on the top navbar. It says uploaded successfully. Okay, now you can close this one. Here, go to properties and scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you can see static website hosting. So inside the properties you will see static website hosting, and you have to edit and do enable. Then here give your landing page, since my landing page will be index.html, and your error page. And since it's suggesting only the error page, I do have the error page named as error.html, so I'm giving my error.html page. If there is some URL mistaken by the user, then it will redirect them to the error page. Then from there I gave the link for the index.html in the error page, so that the user will redirect back to the index.html page. And if you have any redirection rule, you can give it here, but for me I don't have any, so I'll just go ahead and save changes. Now let's scroll back, and here scroll back to the static website hosting again, and here you can see the link that is publicly accessible for your website, and click in here. Now you can see 403 forbidden. Since we have everything in the bucket, but we don't have a policy, so we need to give the policy for our bucket so that everybody in public can see our website. Since we have our S3 bucket public, but we don't have a policy, so let's go ahead and give the policy. Scroll back on to the top and permissions. Here you can see the bucket policy. Let me X out of these two here, and here you can see the bucket policy. Inside the permission, there's a bucket policy. Edit the bucket policy, and let's write the policy now. So first of all, this is a JSON file. JSON will start from the braces, and I'll give the version. Version will be 2012 1017 10-17, and now ID. This is a policy ID, so policy, and now statement. Statement will be in this bigger bracket. Inside there we'll have this braces again, and now the SID. Statement. So what will be the effect? Effect will be allow and the principal for everything. And now it's time for the action. Action is everything inside the S3 get object. Resource. So now resource requires your ARN. Here you can see the bucket ARN. So copy from there and paste it here. / and star, and that's pretty much it. Once you have this policy written, and here we gave the S3 a get object access. So you can see we allow get object from our bucket. Let's go ahead and save changes. If there is any error, it will show you down here. Let's check what is the error. Policy must be validation first byte. It must be. So this is saying I have one extra space in there. So let's go ahead and do save. Okay, now here you can see successfully edited the bucket policy. And you can check back again. If you want to edit again, you can hit edit, or if you want to copy, you can copy it. And we have we already have the policy written here. And now let's go back to our website and refresh the page again. Here you go. You can see my static page that I have uploaded, and this is the page that I have uploaded here. You can see it. But if the user give the wrong URL and try to get into the page, this will give them error message. You see here, this is the error page that I uploaded, and here it says, did you mean to go to index.html? And once they click in the index.html, this will take them to the index.html. You see here, it will take them to index.html. So this is how you can upload your static website. You can create a static website using S3 bucket. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any question, please place that in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to get with answers to you guys. Thank you so much.